Generative AI, a symphony of innovation. Welcome, visionaries, to a realm where imagination meets innovation, a world sculpted by the marvels of generative AI. Today, we embark on a journey through the creative landscapes where machines and human ingenuity converge to redefine what's possible in the digital realm. Generative AI isn't just a buzzword. It's a symphony of possibilities that transcends the ordinary. Picture a canvas where pixels dance to the tune of artificial intelligence, creating visual masterpieces that challenge the very essence of creativity. From melodies that stir the soul to stories that captivate the heart, generative AI is reshaping how we perceive the boundaries between the artificial and the natural. So, buckle up for a captivating exploration into the heart of this transformative technology. Join us as we unravel the tapestry woven by generative AI, exploring its impact on creativity, society, and the very fabric of our future. In the dynamic realm of technology, generative AI emerges as a beacon of limitless possibilities, transforming our perception of artificial intelligence and unlocking unprecedented dimensions of creativity. Unlocking creativity. Generative AI transcends the conventional role of a tool, becoming an artistic collaborator that breathes life into the realms of imagination, empowering machines to produce diverse content. From art to music and writing, it possesses an uncanny ability to mimic and enhance human creativity, from pixels to poetry. Envision a machine crafting masterpieces rivaling renowned artists. Generative AI, armed with deep learning algorithms, delves into the nuances of style, form, and emotion. It goes beyond pixels, infusing poetry into every stroke of digital genius. Musical harmony. Unleashed. Extending its creative prowess beyond the visual, generative AI ventures into the realm of sound. Picture an AI composing symphonies that stir the soul, capturing the essence of human emotion. Unconfined by traditional musical boundaries, it orchestrates melodies that resonate with our deepest senses. The pen of the future generative AI is not limited to pixels and melodies. It emerges as a wordsmith of unparalleled capabilities. Weaving captivating narratives and enthralling stories, it comprehends context, tone, and style to generate text that feels inherently human, blurring the lines between artificial and natural storytelling. Challenges and ethical frontiers. However, this technological marvel brings forth the responsibility to navigate ethical frontiers. Questions of authorship, bias, and accountability loom large. As we explore the possibilities of generative AI, considerations of implications and alignment with societal norms become imperative. The future unfolding. Generative AI is more than a glimpse into the future. It unfolds before our eyes. As we harness its potential, a collaborative journey between machines and humans takes shape. Transcending boundaries, they create a tapestry of innovation and artistic expression. The story of generative AI continues to be written, promising chapters as captivating as the technology itself. Unleashing diverse perspectives. Generative AI, with its ability to analyze vast datasets, opens avenues for diverse perspectives in creative endeavors. Understanding and learning from a myriad of sources, it broadens the scope of creativity, introducing novel concepts and approaches that might have eluded human creators. Enhancing personalization. In the realm of user experience, generative AI excels at tailoring content to individual preferences, from personalized artwork to music compositions that resonate with unique tastes. This technology has the potential to redefine how we interact with and consume creative content in our daily lives. Collaborative creativity. Generative AI isn't just a solo performer. It thrives in collaborative settings. By working alongside human creators, it becomes a catalyst for innovation, providing fresh ideas and augmenting the creative process. The synergy between human intuition and AI algorithms yields outcomes that neither could achieve alone. Redefining industries beyond the realm of arts and culture, generative AI disrupts traditional industries. From automating content creation and marketing to revolutionizing design processes, it becomes a transformative force that reshapes workflows, efficiency, and the very nature of certain professions. Ethical considerations in content generation. As generative AI becomes integral to content creation, ethical considerations take center stage. Issues such as copyright, authenticity, and the potential misuse of AI-generated content prompt a critical examination of the ethical framework surrounding its deployment. Societal impact and acceptance. The acceptance of generative AI within society is a crucial aspect of its evolution. Understanding its impact on employment, creativity, and our daily lives helps us shape policies and cultural norms that ensure a harmonious integration of this groundbreaking technology. Innovation beyond imagination. The story of generative AI unfolds as a narrative of constant innovation. With each breakthrough, the technology propels us into uncharted territories, challenging our preconceptions and inspiring us to reimagine the possibilities of human-machine collaboration. Fostering human-machine synergy. Generative AI, as it evolves, emphasizes the importance of a harmonious relationship between humans and machines. It's not a replacement for human creativity, but a tool that amplifies our imaginative capacities. Embracing this synergy promises a future where the union of human intuition and machine intelligence creates unparalleled works of art. Cultivating innovation in education. The impact of generative AI extends to education, fostering innovative approaches to learning. As it becomes a teaching aid, helping students explore creativity through AI-generated content, it reshapes the landscape of education, preparing the next generation for a world where collaboration with intelligent systems is the norm. Navigating the uncharted legal landscape. The advent of generative AI raises complex legal questions. Issues related to intellectual property, ownership, and liability present challenges that legal systems worldwide are grappling with. Navigating this uncharted terrain requires legal frameworks that balance innovation with protecting the rights and interests of individuals and creators. Environmental considerations in AI computing. The computational power required for generative AI models poses environmental concerns. The carbon footprint associated with training large models prompts a critical examination of sustainable practices in AI development. Addressing these considerations ensures that the benefits of generative AI don't come at the expense of our planet. Humanizing technology through explainability. As generative AI becomes more sophisticated, the need for explainability becomes paramount. Ensuring transparency in how AI algorithms make creative decisions fosters trust and understanding. Humanizing technology through explainability is essential for wider acceptance and ethical deployment. Global collaboration in AI research. The rapid advancements in generative AI underscore the importance of global collaboration in research. By bringing together diverse perspectives and expertise from around the world, we can accelerate progress, share insights. The story of generative AI is an ongoing narrative with chapters yet to be written. Join us on this exciting voyage where creativity knows no bounds and the future unfolds in ways we can only imagine. If you found this journey as exhilarating as we did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Together, let's continue to ride the wave of innovation, exploring the uncharted territories where generative AI and human imagination intertwine, shaping a future that promises to be as captivating as the technology itself. Until next time, stay curious and keep creating.